Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can remove PayPal from your Shopify account. Now, if you have connected your PayPal account to your Shopify account, you will see an Express Checkout button under your cart. Now, if you want to remove that cart, there is an easy process. But for now, if you don't want PayPal altogether, just go to Payments and unlink or deactivate your PayPal account which is connected to Shopify. But if you want to use PayPal but just do not want that Express Checkout button to show up, there's an easy fix for that. Just come back to your Shopify account, click on Online Store and select the theme that you're currently using. Click on the three dots, click on Edit Code. Once you're in here, you can search for cart, and under the section where it says main cart footer liquid, just click on that and click on any part of this document. Now click on Ctrl F and search for additional. And once you scroll down, it will be highlighted in yellow. This is what we're looking for. Now make sure you delete just this part of the additional checkout button part. If you delete anything else, your website might crash or the changes won't be saved. Just click on backspace once you select this division. div is for division. Make sure you delete just that part. Click on save and you should be good to go. As you can see, it says asset saved. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily remove the PayPal Express Checkout button on your Shopify store. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.